September 2014. This was the day when India created history. India's satellite Mangalyaan, after traveling 298 days in space, entered Mars orbit. Vikas engine used in this epic mission was jointly made by this company. Not only that, the launch vehicle and orbiter for India's first mission to moon was also jointly developed by the same group, Godrej. The voyage of Godrej Group towards the stars was started by one man, Ardeshir Godrej. It is said, no great success was ever achieved without failures. Ardeshir Godrej too faced failures. He was an unsuccessful lawyer. Later, he started manufacturing surgical equipments but failed. He even worked as an assistant in a pharmacy store but left that too. But sometimes you just need that one chance to succeed. One day, Ardeshir Godrej read a newspaper article. Police Commissioner of Mumbai had called for better security of home and offices due to rise of burglary incidents. After reading the article, Ardeshir decided that he will try and make the best lock. He learned all about locks, took loan, and in 1897, in a tiny shed in central Mumbai, the 29-year-old started manufacturing Anchor brand locks. Now, 122 years after that beginning, Godrej Group has grown into a multi-billion-dollar conglomerate. Today, 600 million people across the world use at least one Godrej product every day. Not only that, the group is also one of India's biggest private land owner. In Mumbai alone, which has India's most expensive real estate, the group's land holding is estimated to be around 2,500 to 3,500 acres. That is close to 1,000 cricket grounds. So without any further delay, let's sit back and travel 4 continents to see the massive business empire of the Godrej Group. We will start our journey in North America and reach United States. Here, the group owns one of the leading hair care company, Strength of Nature, and operates manufacturing plant in Savannah, Georgia. Meanwhile, Godrej Aerospace is a supplier for major American companies like Boeing. Moving to South America, we will land in a country with the world's largest swimming pool, Chile. Here, Godrej owns the leading hair care brands like Illicit and operates a manufacturing facility in Santiago. Moreover, the group also owns the famous makeup brand Pamela Grant and also a hair removal brand. Moving to Argentina, here the company owns one of Argentina's best-selling hair color brand, Issue, one of Argentina's oldest hairspray brand, Robbie. Their other popular brands include 911 and Issue Professional, and they also own one of the leading sunscreen brand in Argentina. From Argentina, let's move to Africa and land in the vibrant South Africa. Here, the group owns South Africa's leading ethnic hair care brand, Inecto, hair color brand, Renew, hair extension brand, Frika, and also own Darling Group, the #1 hair extensions company in 14 African countries, and manufactures all across Africa, including Mozambique. From Mozambique, we will move to Nigeria. Here, the group owns one of Nigeria's oldest medicated soaps, Tura, and has also manufactured one of the world's tallest regeneration unit for an oil refinery in Nigeria. From Africa, we will move to Asia and arrive in Oman. We have now reached the picturesque port city of Sohar. Here, the group jointly owns a furniture company, Godrej and Khimji, and also operates a large manufacturing facility in the city. Moreover, Godrej is also the second largest household insecticide company in Asia and is the market leader in Indonesia with brands like Hit and Cap Kaja. We have now reached the enchanting Indonesia. Here, 15 million Indonesian households use at least one of the brands of Godrej Group every day. Here, the group owns major brands like one of the highest selling air freshener in Indonesia, Stella, a car care brand, Carrera, a baby care products brand, Mitu, a hair color company, NYU, and also own popular home care brands like Proslin and Politex. From Indonesia, we will move to Bangladesh. Here, the group jointly owns one of the biggest cattle feed company in Bangladesh and also operates a 70-acre poultry farm in Panchgarh. Moreover, the group's Goodnight mosquito control brand is also popular in Bangladesh. Moving to Sri Lanka, here the group owns popular hair color brand Abha, a popular shoe polish company Shock, and one of Sri Lanka's leading pocket fragrance brand Air. Now, after a long travel, we have finally reached India. Godrej is India's largest hair color company, India's most selling mosquito repellent company, the second largest soap company with famous brands like Synthol and Godrej No.1, and they also own India's largest furniture company that also manufactures one of the oldest and iconic steel cabinet brand Godrej Storewell. Moreover, Godrej Group is also one of India's largest home appliances company that makes everything from washing machines, air conditioners and microwave to India's first smallest cooler. Moreover, Godrej also owns a chemicals company, a construction company, a dairy products company, a storage solutions provider, and also manufactures vending machines, batteries, lift trucks, CCTVs, and even bank vaults. The group is also India's largest oil palm developer, India's biggest animal feeds company, and also operates India's biggest publicly listed real estate company with current projects across 12 cities in India. Not only that, the group even manufactures airframes for missile systems and has recently purchased the iconic RK Studio in Mumbai, where many classic films like Shri 420 and Mera Naam Joker were produced. Godrej has not only created a massive business empire, but 23% of the Godrej Group's promoter shares are held by a charity trust and are spent for social causes that includes schools, charitable hospital, and providing treatment for poor kids. Moreover, in Mumbai, the group is involved in conservation and management of more than 1800 acres of mangrove forest, which is one of the lifeblood of the crowded Maximum City. So finally, after our tour, let us go back to that one newspaper article which started this worldwide journey. It shows that even one small thing has the potential to change your life forever. So in the end, all I can say, this is Godrej Group's massive business empire.